framework. So we shall look at numbers, we shall look at exact numbers and work around them to see how much money do you need to retire if you are working towards retirement. And I'll start by asking you a question, again, an uncomfortable one, that if you retired today, how much money would you need every month for you to survive? We are talking about rent, food, transport, medical, all those necessities. How much money do you need? Based on how your expenses are, would you need 50,000, 100,000, 200,000 or 80,000? Most people say random numbers, and that is the first problem. And I say it's a problem because retirement is not guesswork, but it's calculation. You have to work with the exact numbers so that you have a value that you're working for, you have a value that you're working towards. And in part one of this series, we talked about how retirement system works in Kenya. We looked at all the aspects of retirement, talk about NSSF, pensions, and the options that you have as an individual. We talked about them. So today we go a notch higher and discuss how much money do you actually need if you are to retire comfortably in Kenya